many refugees has Poland taken?
Zero.
And you're proud of that?
If you are asking me about Muslims illegal immigration, none, not even one will come to Poland. Not even one if it's illegal. We took over 2 million Ukrainians who are working, who are peaceful in Poland. We will not receive even one Muslim because this is what we promised.
But I asked not about illegal immigrants, I asked about refugees. And Jean-Claude Juncker, the Commission President, says that you're racist. You sound proud of the fact that you haven't taken any refugees.
Of course, because this is what our people are expecting from our government. That's number one. This is why our government was elected. But this is why Poland is so safe. This is the reason why we had not even one terrorist attack. Look at the streets in Poland. And we can be called populists, nationalists, racists. I don't care. I care about my family and about my country.
Modi ji, वाह
ये बहस नहीं हो रही है। एजाज आपको माफी मांगनी होगी।
जैसे शब्द इस्तेमाल किए हैं।
मैं माफी चाहूंगी इस तरह से।
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
कौन है आप?
हाँ, मैं तो एक छोटा सा कॉकरोच पत्रकार हूँ।
You know, we are like vultures. We feed on these moments. These are.
जो पूछा जाए उसका जवाब दो। कौन हो तो?
राजदीप दलाल है।
I think what is very important is to run behind people's dreams, people's aspirations. That is what you're here to voice. Because politics में खुद के सपने के पीछे कभी नहीं भागना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि जो लोगों के सपने हैं, वो पूरे करने के लिए जाओ तो लोग अपने सर पे लेंगे.
अंकल ये कौन है?
ये शबनम का आशिक है. शबनम ने इसे छोड़कर किसी और से शादी कर ली.
अच्छा. बड़े अफसोस की बात.
Relationship with this child is, if somebody wants to superimpose his or her perverse or diseased mind on this, what can I do? So in fact, when she came a little apologetic when she was being trolled, so I said that there's a great line of Anand Bakshi Saab कि तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या, सीता भी यहाँ बदनाम हुई.
अबे तेरी माँ की.
अंकल ये कौन है?
ये वो है जिससे शबनम की शादी हुई थी.
चल बकवास की बातें करता है, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है. चलो अंदर जाओ.
I want to buy an island. I want to buy a private jet, and I want to buy a hotel. Lots of money. 1,500 crores, 1,500,000 crores. Just bring it in.
ये कौन है?
अरे यही तो शबनम है.